Hello, and thank you for considering liquid porcelain for your bathtub project. In this video, I'll explain a little about what you can expect during the process and tell you more about our company. We are a family-owned company and have been in business for 14 years. Our coating is unlike anything else in the industry. We are the only people offering liquid porcelain in Michigan and Florida. Liquid porcelain contains properties that make it resistant to bleach, and unlike our competition, bath mats can be used and removed after each use. We follow a 9-step system to prepare your bathtub that is free of odors. The process entails cleaning and sanitizing the tub using a tack cloth and smoothing out the tub, acid etching to remove old finishes, sanding out imperfections, and we will apply a chemical primer and ceramic bonding agent. Then a spray primer coating will be applied as necessary. We will mix a top coat and prepare the tub for a top coat, then spray it for a like-new finish. This will require 24 hours to dry. We've helped over 15,000 homeowners rejuvenate their bathrooms without having to pay a small fortune, and we would love to add you to our long list of satisfied customers. With an A rating with the Better Business Bureau and a 4.7 out of 5-star rating, you can rest assured that you are in good hands. We look forward to serving you.